All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is July 11th, 2024. This is the BYOB Market Wrap Up with me, John Kerrigan. Let's take a look at the market. All right, let's take a look here. We got SPY on the daily chart. An outside day with a higher high and a lower low. All right. Just sold off all day from the beginning of the day until the end of the day. Exact opposite of what happened yesterday, which was buying from the beginning of the day and buying from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. All right, so we got bearish engulfing. We're looking for follow through tomorrow. Price is under the all-time high anchored VWAPs. All right. And we'll take a look at the 2-hour chart. Pretty sure we got ourselves a 2-hour downtrend. So we have ourselves a 2-hour downtrend. Still have a daily uptrend. All right. See the price up over the white line right there. Still got a daily uptrend. Bank earnings come out tomorrow. We'll see what they turn out to be. So there's the daily. Let's take a look at the 10-minute. 10-minute has a 10-minute downtrend going into the close. All right. My pivot today was 556.06, and I was looking for a 10-minute uptrend to buy long, and I didn't get it all day long until the very end, and they couldn't just quite get over the pivot or over the anchored VWAP. So they're trapped right now underneath the anchored VWAP. Next anchored VWAP down happens to be right here, 553.55. All right, we'll see where they want to go tomorrow. There's SPY. Let's take a look at QQQ. QQQ, let's take a look at it on the daily chart. Daily chart, bearish engulfing. Wow, that is much uglier than the SPY. Much uglier. Okay, that's engulfing like 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. What's that? That's got to be at the midpoint somewhere, close to it. Wow, what a sell-off on that one. So QQQ, bearish engulfing, still in an uptrend. All right, closing. Let me just say, SPY made a new all-time high today. QQQ, not so much. Let me see. High is 503.28. High, yeah. Okay, QQQ did not make a new all-time high. FNGU, still bullish over the 17 EMA, closing underneath the trap, wiping out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles here. Okay, FNGU. Did FNGU make a new all-time high today? We got 563.91. 563. FNGU made a new all-time high today. QQQ did not. SPY made a new all-time high today. Okay, let's take a look at, let's just go look at SMH right now just to see. SMH putting in a new all-time high, bearish engulfing. XLK making, excuse me, a new all-time high today, bearish engulfing as well. What else we want to look at? XLF, we're going to go visit Diamond Dow. XLF, nice move by XLF. Here's, I think those are the all-time highs. Let's check this out. Now the all-time high is right here, 42.53, and we are not far from it right here, 42.32. All right, that's on a weekly chart. So closing in on those all-time highs again. So there's XLF almost taking out the all-time high right there. Nonetheless, still in an uptrend right there. That's XLF. Let's take a look at IYT. Oh, look, IYT almost Did they get it? No, not quite. No cigar yet. IYT, big candle today. Higher low, higher high, closing over bullish cross over the 17 EMA. Looking straight at, it's got its eyes on this anchored VWAP. I think that's the all-time high anchored VWAP. Possibly breaking the downtrend. Nice, little late, okay? Looks like SPY's made its top for the year. But right here, right now, IYT, nice spike up here. Still not in an uptrend, though. Needs follow through for tomorrow. So there's IYT. Let's take a look at Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow up near the all-time highs again. Diamond Dow, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA, still in an uptrend. All of the Fab 5 are still in uptrends, I'm pretty sure. IWM, is that a new all-time high for IWM? Not quite. Pretty close, though, right there. See that? Oh, no, we got a ways to go. That would have been a new 2-year high, all right, if they took out that wick up there. Wedge, build up, huge wind up right here. Looking for follow through on this candle for tomorrow. Huge on IWM. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. So there's IWM. Looking like it wants to go higher. I got to go see what the T2122. T2122, believe it or not, with all the selling we had today in the SPY, is in the overbought zone. How about that? Who would have expected T2122 to be in an overbought zone today with the SPY pulling back? Okay, T2123 gaps up over the falling Death Star force field. All right, did a little Luke Skywalker space jump here. So now we've got T2123 on the other side. Huge gap right here of the falling 200 SMA. Back into quadrant 1. Let's see what we got here. Pull this back right there. Okay, so back into quadrant 1 here, almost coming out of quadrant 1, going into quadrant 2. So green from beginning of the day to the end of the day. 3-bar chart, green from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. Could have its eyes on this hooking over 200 SMA. All right, so there's T2123. Marvelous day. A little bit too late. Could have participated when the FNGU was going up. We could have seen probably SPY 570, SPY 580. All right, FNGU, we already know. That just sold off all day. All right, they just sold off all day. They came right into this rising 200 SMA, spiking it. I don't know if they are going to recover from that spike or if they're going to consolidate underneath it. There's the 15-minute chart. Rising 200, just lifting FNGU up higher and higher and higher. All right, so there's a fallback from its all-time highs. But FNGU, nonetheless, made a new all-time high today and tackles the 200 SMA. Okay, let's take a look at, I think that's it, right? I just did the technicals. I did the sectors. That was fast. I want to thank all my visitors today. If you're interested in taking a trial, it's only $24.50. Give it some thought. It's up to you. If you don't get a trial from me, maybe get one from Rick or Doug. All right? This will be, I think this is the last week. They're going to be $24.50. Do yourself a favor. Get some help. Hang out with some friends. Make some new friends. Carrie wants to know about mRNA. John signed up. All right. So option mRNA. Let's go over, take a look at mRNA. And opinion long for a swing trade. Still, for me, it's a no. Okay, you're still underneath the downtrend line right there. Okay, so for me, it's a no. If you complete the cradle right here, that would look interesting then. Break the downtrend, set the higher low, start making higher highs. It hasn't done enough bullishness for me to say, yeah, this would be great long trade. So we got some consolidation here. It could just bounce off of this and go lower. So it's a no for me. You bounced off of minor support right there, Carrie. See right there? See these wicks? That's your minor support of all of this consolidation throughout 2024. There's your biggest green candle, okay, at the end of the move. That's pretty much the top. Okay, that's probably going to be the top for about a year. When's the last time you saw a big green candle like that? So I don't know. I don't see it. We're bouncing off of support. You've held for more than 3 days. You're starting to come up, but you still got to break this downtrend line. Okay? So I want to see him break the downtrend line, take out the shoulder, make the cradle. Until it does all of that, I'm not interested in it long. All right? Does that help you? Did you really want to take it long? Yeah, I'm just giving you, I like to, you know what I do? I like to make it tough on myself before I take a trade. And these are some of the steps that I go through, making it tough for me to take a trade. I mean, I really want as much as I can get on my side. So, but hey, thanks for hanging out with us today. Hope you become a member if you're not. Hope you become a member of somebody's room. All right. I wish you nothing but the best and the best of luck in your wealth building and day trading or market trading, whatever you choose to do. You guys all have a wonderful afternoon. Had a great open house. I enjoyed having all of you in here. Thanks for being here. Everybody have a beautiful day. All right? And stay safe this weekend.